This Electrolux Ergorapido is it's a kind of hybrid of a cleaner. It opens nicely for opening up, has a powered beater brush, not real thick, and it doesn't go all the way to the edges, as you can see, but it will clean surfaces. It has a removable, this removable vacuum that sits in here. You've seen this type before, and powers the unit. It also can be operated independently. It has a fairly good, can't really show it to you. It has a fairly good suction on it. It's not bad. You are paying money for the dual use, for this being able to be pulled off and to be used in there. And I am not sure, having had a number of stick, including Dysons, that this is as powerful as those. But in some ways, the utility of this thing makes up a little bit for the lack of power.
Here is the vacuum sitting on its charger. So you lift it up and off to use. And then there are two power levels. I will show you how I use this to clean crumbs. So turn on, it goes to a light, and then this slows down and speeds up.
It's charged. And it stopped. 23 seconds, not even 23, not even 30 seconds. That's all it does. Very disappointed. What to do?
As you can see, my device is plugged in and it is charging. It has been charging for overnight, and yet when I turn it on, it does not turn on. I'm pressing the on button and it won't turn on.